The challenges this aircraft presents its pilots are numerous and significant.
All the fuel is kept in the wing.
First up, the plane can't even support its own massive wingspan when it's taking off.
When the wing develops lift, the pogo falls away.
Next, recon missions can be lengthy and are carried out at very high altitudes, which requires complex pressure suit technologies and extreme safety features.
Everything is so thin and so light and just strong enough.
And then there's the landing.
It has quite a heavy footprint because there's just the one main gear carrying all the load.
6, 5, 4.
The wheels are along the center line of the fuselage, so it's like trying to land a bicycle.
When the airplane does tip over, these skids protect the wingtip.
And we'll see later, but on approach, the pilot can't even see the runway.
3, 2.
He has to be guided down by a pilot in a chase car.
2, hold at 1 inches.
So far, it's looking pretty good for the Myth.
It's an impressive checklist of piloting challenges, but where next?
Well, we need to get a look at this baby in action. To that end, Jamie and I have been given the go-ahead to hitch a ride to the edge of space, and we will now embark on a week-long training program. Yep, it takes a week just to learn how to be a passenger. The problem is, there is only room for one of us.
Oh.
Please, please, please let it be me.
So the next story is deadly drones?
Indeed it is. If the press is to be believed, drones are totally in our future, delivering our packages and maybe even our pizzas. But there are those who think that they are a deadly danger hiding in plain sight, that a simple gust of wind could send a drone into you and the propellers could slice your throat and kill you.
That sounds like it's custom made for us.
That's exactly what I was thinking. Let's get to testing.
But testing the myth with what? First up, Adam and Jamie take a tour of the full range of drone technology, starting with the supersize.
Allow me to introduce our high-tech, custom-built camera platform. It's got 8 motors totaling 2,800 watts of power. It carries a self-stabilized, high-definition, 3-pound camera. Pretty cool, huh?
And at the other end of the scale,
This is your basic consumer-level multi-rotor. It's on the small side, but it has all the features that the large ones do. Propellers, motors,
Well, as in any new technology, there can be casualties.
but as per the myth, would one of those casualties ever be human? Could a drone really be deadly? To begin their quest in earnest, it's back to the shop, where Adam has 2 mid-range models most likely to be used in a commercial delivery.
On the left here is a fly-it-right-out-of-the-box small model. Slightly larger is a intermediate kit-level model, which comes with all the pieces you need to fly. You just have to assemble them. This one's apparently ready to fly, so I'm going to give it a shot to see how easy it actually is. Really easy to fly.
While the damage done so far is enlightening, a proof of concept is required.
Ew, it dripped juice on me.
To find out if a multi-rotor propeller could ever cause a flesh wound, Adam and Jamie have a standard-sized blade spinning at flight speed on a stick and a chicken.
I think today's lesson is going to be fairly self-explanatory. Whenever you're ready, sir. Yeah! There we go. Yeah! Check that out. That right there, my friends, that's an injury.